Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 350B Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace a broken brush belt. Pretty simple, this is how you do it. Lift up the lid and take the recovery tank off. Give us access to the motor. So what you want to do is take a Torx 25 and pull a screw out right here. Now, right here is your kickstand. What we want to do is take a Phillips and unscrew the kickstand. Now, careful, there is a spring in there. Pull the kickstand off with the spring. And then we're going to take the belt cover off. Just like that. Okay, now what we want to do is take a 5mm Allen head and we're going to loosen the bolts on the brush motor. And that is going to relieve the tension on the belt. And now we can work the belt off just like that. Now, just reverse the steps to replace the belt. Get your new belt, slide it on the pulley on the bottom, and then we'll work it up top, just like that. Now, what you want to do is get tension back on the belt. So get a flathead screwdriver, get it in between the motor, and pull up on it. Get that tension, and then tighten your Allen screws back down. Once you get one tightened, you can take out the flathead and then just tighten down the rest. Check your tension. It's good and tight. Now we're going to put the belt cover back on. Just like that. Make sure that the Torx lines up so you can get your screw back in. And now we can put the kickstand back on. Get that screw started. Tighten it back down. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.